In this demo video, we're going to look at how to add and edit tags in bulk inside MemoryWeb. So to start things off, just going to show you where we're at on the site right now. We're in the photos section. So this main area here, photos, and you can see that we have photos that have been added and they are organized in chronological order, grouped by date. And I'm going to focus in on this top section of 20 photos to show you how to edit these. And you can tell right now, looking at the photo thumbnails themselves, they are probably not taken on August 29th, 2020. There are a bunch of photos from mostly the 60s and 70s and maybe even a few earlier in the 1940s or 50s. And I definitely would like to change the date of those photos at some point, but they're not all from the same date. So I don't necessarily want to grab all of those at once. But what I would like to do is I would like to take some of these photos that I know, let's say this one and 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 this one here, that I know that they are all the same person. And so you can see here at the bottom in the tray area, you can see that I have 6 photos that are selected. And at this point, I can either download those, edit the tags, share, print, or delete. But for our demo, I'm going to add a person. Now what I can do here is I can either search for an existing person, or if I know this person has not been created, I can create a brand new person. But I know that this person actually exists because this is me as a little girl. So I'm going to go ahead and tag myself to that. And now you can see I have now been tagged to all 6 of those photos. You could do the same functionality to add a location. You could add a group of photos to an album. You can also change the date in bulk as well. So it's really easy and quick to edit photos or add tags or edit existing ones using this bulk function. One other thing I want to point out before we close this demo is that if for some reason all 20 of these photos in this section here were ones that were going to have the same criteria, maybe it's going to be an album that they all share, I could really quickly go here, select all, and then you can see I've now selected 20 photos, and any editing that I do would then apply to all 20 of those photos. So hope that this has been helpful, and happy tagging.